What's up guys, Joey here of Tech, and ASUS showed us some of their new devices here at their headquarters in Taiwan, including the awesome ROG Zephyrus G14, a slightly compact gaming laptop with a visual surprise on its lid. Check it out. At first glance, the lid of the G14 seems to be just like any other laptop out there with its monotone color scheme, but upon closer inspection, it sports an LED display. The lid has several mini LEDs embedded in it where users can display custom graphics or animations. It's quite a delight to see things like GIFs, words, and more moving about through the lid. Touted as ASUS' smallest gaming laptop, the Zephyrus G14 comes in with a screen size of 14 inches. It comes in either WQHD or Full HD resolutions, with the former stuck at a standard refresh rate of 60Hz, but the latter gets 120Hz. For the lower half, nothing too special here. We get a standard keyboard and trackpad placement, though it's nice that we also get a Windows Hello fingerprint reader here as well. The keys are spaced out nicely and they're actually quite nice to type on. As for the trackpad, it's not small, but it's not that sizable either. We reckon ASUS had to trim down the trackpad, giving the compact size of the whole body. This is a gaming laptop after all, and you're meant to use an external mouse most of the time, especially when gaming or doing content creation work. On the left side, the G14 has an airflow vent, the charging port, full-size HDMI, USB-C, and a 3.5mm combo audio jack. On the right side, we got another USB-C port, another airflow vent, two USB-A ports, and a Kensington lock. Aside from the lid having a cool LED display, the hinge is special as well, utilizing ASUS ErgoLift hinge, which is one of my personal favorite things about a few of their laptops. It tilts the bottom half of the laptop upwards for easier typing, as well as providing better airflow. For internal configurations, the ROG Zephyrus G14 can be equipped with up to an AMD Ryzen 4800HS CPU, up to an NVIDIA RTX 2060, up to 32 gigs of 3200MHz RAM, and up to a 1TB NVMe SSD. So that about wraps it up for this quick hands-on guys. Now, what do you guys think about the new ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 and its awesome LED packed lid? Let us know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon to miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit ukatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.